recently had to go to Tokyo to film a very cool project in which I would be featured, so that's something that will not be on my channel. I can't tell you much more about it, but I'm sure you will be notified in due time. But anyway, that was the perfect opportunity for me to spend a little bit more time in Tokyo. It has been a while since I've not been just by myself in a city for more than a few days. Could really focus on shooting a lot of photos and videos, so there will be a lot more to come on the channel about this trip, so I hope you're excited about it. I arrived in Tokyo on a Tuesday afternoon, or early evening, let's say, and I decided to take it easy with my RICOH GR III, exploring a little bit the neighborhood and walk all the way to Asakusa since it was not too far by walking distance. And essentially that's what this video is going to be about. Probably repeating myself for the ones that are watching the channel for a long time, but when it comes to my setting with my RICOH GR III, I use a lot of the time the snap distance priority mode. Basically in daytime I'm almost on that mode, and when it gets darker I switch to the aperture priority mode, or when I want critical focus on some close-up elements, I would quickly switch to the aperture priority mode, run the button so I can access it with just one press, which makes the whole setup very versatile. My metering, I'm almost always with the multi-metering mode, and I set my exposure compensation at -0.3 in daytime. And if I shoot at nighttime, which I did during this video, I would set it more at -1 and then adjust if needed. If there is anything specific you want to know about the RICOH, or basically anything related to photography that you feel I could give you a proper answer to, feel free to leave a comment, and then I will make sure to try to include that in a further video or make a new video on that topic specifically. seem to like those videos without too much talking head section, and I always try to be concise with the way I phrase my captions, so you can still have a little bit more insight about the photography process, and basically you are free to read them or just focus on the video and the music. As always, any feedback from you is much appreciated, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.